Cales. They're an Allstate client. I'm here to do another repair. That is the previous repair that I did down there, but you guys said not to use a roof snake and to use a pry bar. So brought my pry bar here. I will be replacing the shingle. Obvious it's not here anymore. So yeah. Let's see, let's move it down. This is the missing shingle here. All right. Using the pry bar, that is what was asked to use. Keeping my hand on the shingle so it doesn't reach over 90 degrees. But we are having, a little bit of issue with that one getting unsealed. It did rip here, which I'll show you a close up here in a second when I finish, but pry bar ripped that shingle. Okay, we got another rip here. Right here. Again, I'll show you close-ups in a second. This is what it's doing. I don't know if you can see that as it happens. The ripping of the shingle. This one's ripped. Okay. This nail here that was holding this shingle together, but obviously the shingle much longer, is ripped through. So this shingle above it is ripped. This one's ripped as well. So this one should slide out pretty nicely. Okay, nail is out. That one. Hiding up here, yeah. bottom. Okay, all that shingle is out. Here's what I was talking about. How the shingles are just ripping through here. You can see it here. This is what's happening underneath these two as well. As you can see, it's just ripping apart. Okay. Now to go back in with the 3 tab here. Now I have to lift the shingle in order to get the hammer in, so don't come for me. But can't nail it without. I'm trying to get it so you can see the nail. Right. Have to use this to hold it in. This is why the roof snake is the industry standard for 3 tabs. It's impossible to not damage the shingle with putting a crowbar in there. But whatever. Right here at the nail line. Again, I gotta get my hammer in here. So. In order to get it right here at the nail line, I do have to move this shingle up. I'm trying to be as gentle and go as slow as possible so that it doesn't come up. Now I'll show you guys what I am seeing. Alright, as you can see here, the damage, the shingles just ripped right through, right off. Here, just ripping everywhere. That one completely tore. here, all from just trying to repair that one missing shingle. So you've got one, this is one shingle, but you've got two, this is from the hammer. You've got 2 marks on here from consequential damages. One here, ripped, and one here, also ripped. I've already done a repair attempt down there with the roof snake, which failed. And as you can see here, this one miserably failed as well. So in order to indemnify your insured, you would have to issue for a full roof replacement. This is going to be what's going to happen across the entire spectrum of the entire roof on all missing shingles and damaged wind damaged shingles, is you're going to have these consequential damages to the repair. So you included that shingle, but now you're gonna have to include these, which you've already acknowledged that you added more on the scope because you knew it wasn't repairable. So this is just gonna be a domino effect, because now you're gonna have to afford for this one, this one, this one, and this one. Therefore, these are all gonna become damaged, and it's just gonna be a domino effect across the entire roof. So any questions, let us know.